The ticking time bomb for Aussie property. TK Maxx coming to Perth. And 92-year-old Rupert Murdoch finds love again. Welcome to Trading Up, a collaboration by the West Australian and Grapher. I'm Heidi Cuthbert. This episode is brought to you by Stake, Australia's most recommended broker. There's a little phrase that no property investor wants to hear ever: negative equity. That means that the value of your property is less than the size of the mortgage. And if you sold your house today, you wouldn't have enough money to pay back the debt owed to the bank. And that's a big problem for investors, for the banks, and for the Australian economy. A new report from Rate City estimates as many as 275,000 investors are going to come out of fixed rate loans this year, and they're going to hit a mortgage cliff. If they can't afford the higher rates or they can't refinance, then it's a recipe for disaster. Better news though on the ASX today, which has rebounded from the doldrums of the last week or so. It closed just under 1% higher. Yes, investors are buying shares of explosives and fertiliser company Incitec Pivot, but the company itself is also embarking on a spending spree. It's announced a $400 million share buyback. Why is it suddenly flush with cash? Well, it sold its American ammonia manufacturing plant for $2.5 billion. Also skyrocketing today are shares of MGC Pharmaceuticals. The company's over-the-counter COVID treatment was approved for sale in the world's biggest healthcare market, the United States. The company's product, Artemic, is a natural treatment which is based on 4 main ingredients: curcumin, boswellia serrata, artemisinin, and vitamin C. And it's already got a $2 million order. The most Googled stock on the ASX today was Brookside Energy. Brookside is a small oil and gas producer with a project in the Anadarko Basin in Oklahoma, USA. Shares of copper explorer Renegade Exploration also shot up today after good drilling results at its Mongoose copper gold project near Cloncurry in Queensland. Bargain hunters are losing their minds because budget store TK Maxx, well, it's coming to Perth. Apparently, Perth fans have been begging the retailer to come to Western Australia. So why does everyone love this store so much?
This is your sign to run to TK Maxx right now. Do I need? How cute are these? And they're under $30. Screaming.
Cheap stuff means high volume, which means big revenues. The parent company of TK Maxx clocked about $50 billion in total turnover last year. TK Maxx is probably most similar to stores like Big W, and if you look at their turnover, that's about $5 billion. And at 92 years old, Rupert Murdoch is ready to walk down the aisle again for the 5th time. And Leslie Smith is 26 years younger and a former police chaplain. The love affair comes amid another story impacting the Murdoch-owned Fox News right now, which is allegations that Fox News published bogus claims about election fraud. Rupert Murdoch, though, says he's looking forward to spending the second half of his life with his young bride. You can find more business news content on thewest.com.au. Or to see all the data and insights behind this video, check out grapher.com. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Trading Up. I'm Heidi Cuthbert. See you next time.